In this video, we'll cover the essentials of text editing with Flex Editor. Start by clicking on any text block. Once selected, you can easily switch between banner, heading, or paragraph styles. You can also bold, italicize, or underline your text, align it as desired, and even turn it into a link. Now, take it to the next level with custom color options. To highlight a specific word or change the color of an entire paragraph, apply a selected color scheme or insert your own custom color code. You can also adjust the font family through the global site settings. Go to Design, Fonts, pick your fonts, and they will apply to the entire site. To reuse the same settings with other text inside your block, duplicate your text elements and adjust the wording. You can resize and reposition text elements anywhere inside your layout, and you can also overlap them with images, videos, or shapes to create unique design compositions. Check out other videos in this series on Flex Editor.